Hello everyone, it's another new video again. It's about Biko, a Filipino coconut dessert. Biko is a traditional Filipino dessert made from glutinous rice, cooked with coconut milk and brown sugar. It is often served during special occasions and celebrations. Biko is stuffed with a caramelized coconut sauce called latik, which is made by simmering coconut milk until the oil separates and the solids turn into golden brown. It is beloved treat enjoyed for its sweet and rich flavor and its hold cultural significance in a Filipino cuisine. Yan. It's a latik. Ayan na po ang latik. Mini-mix-mix natin. Ayan, masarap po siya pang topping sa biko. Ayan, ito naman po ang aking special biko flavor with ube. With ube flavor. Ayan, yung kulay ube po siya. And with mix. Ayan na po, i-mix natin siya. Ayan. Ang biko pala ay nagmula sa China. So, this is from China. Ayan. It's August 16 to September 14 goes month po. Kaya mag-iingat po tayo. So, always pray at pag-alayan po natin ang mga kaluluwang ligaw dyan. San man sila, sa ating tahanan man o sa labas man. Ayan na po ang kanin. Ay, ang malagkit pala. Malagkit na bigas. Ayan. Ayan na po, i-mix natin. Masarap po yan. Pag natapos ng ating biko. Ayan na siya. Chararan. Ayan. Happy tummy na naman. Masarap siya. Ayan po. The rice mixture is usually placed in a rectangular container resulting in a solid sticky cake that is then sliced into serving portions. Ganyan. Lagyan natin sa isang Tupperware at iserve natin. Thank you so much everyone.